This is my 94 YJ Jeep with a 24 valve P-pump conversion on my Jeep here with 1-ton axles. But I wanted to show you guys the transmission mount that I had fabricated when I first did this build. Here it is. Look how janky and awful this is. I decided to take my time and rebuild one finally, and let's take a look at it. It's got 2 bushings on either side, and it does, at idle, there's a little more vibration than there was before, but as far as drivetrain goes, it is much more stable, and when you're driving, it is way smoother.